In this video, we review Certainly Auto Insurance. Have you used Certainly Auto Insurance before? What was your experience? Leave your Certainly Auto Insurance review in the comments section below. Certainly Auto Insurance, an online-only insurance provider, has made a splash in the market with some notable offerings, but it also comes with drawbacks that potential customers should carefully consider. Did you know that Certainly operates under the umbrella of Liberty Mutual, a major player in the insurance industry? And despite being backed by this established company, it does not offer the same level of discounts or bundling options found in traditional insurers. These are key details that can impact your overall cost and satisfaction with Certainly's services. Certainly's main selling point is its convenience. Customers can easily obtain quotes, purchase policies, manage accounts, and file claims all online, eliminating the need for physical paperwork or in-person visits. This model is ideal for tech-savvy consumers who prefer to handle all their insurance needs digitally. The company uses a proprietary algorithm to calculate premiums, factoring in personal information, driving history, and location, among other variables. For some, this results in competitive rates. However, Certainly doesn't offer any discounts for bundling policies, e.g., home and auto insurance together, or other common discounts like those for safe drivers, which is a major downside. This could make the company less appealing for budget-conscious customers looking to save on multiple policies. In terms of customer service, Certainly shines in its 24/7 availability via phone, email, or chat, and a quick claims process. However, the absence of a mobile app can be inconvenient for users who want to manage policies on the go. The company also lacks a network of preferred repair shops, meaning customers are responsible for finding their own service providers after accidents, which could lead to inconsistent repair quality. Additionally, no warranties or guarantees are offered on these repairs. This lack of oversight over third-party services is another area where Certainly may fall short compared to other insurance providers. Certainly's approach is best suited for customers who value a streamlined online experience and are willing to sacrifice in-person services. The company's limited coverage options and lack of flexibility in discounting make it less competitive for those looking for long-term value. The added policy fees, a $10 charge for each type of insurance, can also add up, further diminishing its appeal from a cost-saving perspective. In terms of claims, Certainly promises a relatively smooth process, with most claims being resolved within 30 days. Each customer is assigned a dedicated claims representative, ensuring a level of personalized service even within its digital-only model. Nevertheless, the lack of preferred repair shops can slow down the process and make it more challenging for policyholders to receive prompt repairs. In conclusion, Certainly Auto Insurance offers a user-friendly digital platform for insurance, but lacks some of the perks and savings opportunities found in more traditional insurers. If you're looking for simplicity and an entirely online experience, this could be a good fit. However, if you're after discounts, robust in-person support, or access to a wider range of coverage options, you may want to explore other alternatives before making a decision. Always compare quotes from different providers to ensure you're getting the best value for your needs.